Are you new to the gym and unsure how to introduce yourself? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the essentials of making a positive and impactful first impression at the gym. We'll journey through the world of gym-related vocabulary, from treadmills to water bottles, ensuring you're familiar with the lingo. We'll also practice simple yet effective phrases for introducing yourself, because nothing beats a friendly hello. But it's not just about introductions. We'll delve into the common courtesies that keep the gym environment pleasant and respectful. We'll touch on the unwritten rules, or gym etiquette, that ensures everyone's workout goes smoothly. And we'll learn how to ask for help and set realistic goals, because everyone starts somewhere, right? Lastly, we'll discuss some basic safety tips to keep you healthy and injury-free. So get ready to feel more confident on your fitness journey. First, let's familiarize ourselves with some common gym terms. The treadmill is a popular piece of equipment for running or walking in place. Weights can refer to the heavy objects you lift to build muscle strength, and these can be dumbbells or barbells, depending on their design. A mat is a cushioned surface you use for floor exercises, while a water bottle is a must-have to stay hydrated during your workout. You might also hear the word rep, short for repetition, which refers to the number of times you perform a specific exercise. Similarly, a set is a group of these repetitions. The locker room is where you change and store your belongings, and the weight room is where you'll find all the heavy lifting equipment. Knowing these terms will make your time at the gym smoother. Now that we've got the vocabulary down, let's move on to how to introduce ourselves. Now let's practice introducing ourselves. Stepping into the gym for the first time can be quite daunting, but a warm, friendly introduction can go a long way in breaking the ice. Imagine walking up to a fellow gym goer. You might start off by saying, "Hello, my name is John. I'm new to this gym." It's a simple, straightforward introduction, but it does the trick. You've stated your name and made it clear that you're new, inviting others to offer assistance or advice if they're so inclined. You could also use phrases like, "Nice to meet you," or "I'm looking forward to working out here." These sentiments communicate openness and positivity, which can help in fostering a pleasant gym atmosphere. And if you're feeling a bit more confident, you could even throw in a compliment like, "I've heard great things about this gym," or "This place has really good energy." Remember, first impressions matter. It's important to understand common courtesies and gym etiquette. Let's dive right in. Picture this. You've just completed a vigorous workout on the treadmill. You're sweaty, out of breath, and ready to move on to the next exercise. But wait, before you leave that treadmill, grab a wipe or a towel and some spray, and give the equipment a quick clean. This simple act shows respect for others by keeping the equipment clean and ready for the next person. Remember, nobody likes to use sweaty equipment. Next, let's talk about sharing. Gyms are communal spaces, so it's crucial to share equipment politely. If someone is using the equipment you want, wait your turn or ask them kindly if you can work in during their rest periods. And speaking of sharing, let's not forget about space. Gyms can get crowded, and it's essential to respect others' personal space. Be mindful of where you're standing, especially when someone is lifting weights. A little consideration goes a long way in maintaining a positive atmosphere. Now, let's say you spot someone in the middle of a killer workout. You might be tempted to ask them about their routine or compliment their form. But hold on, it's a common courtesy not to interrupt someone's workout. Wait until they've finished their set before striking up a conversation. Lastly, let's talk about tidiness. After finishing with a piece of equipment, always put it back where it belongs. Dumbbells, mats, and other equipment should be returned to their designated places. It's not just about being tidy, but also about safety. A misplaced dumbbell can be a tripping hazard, and nobody wants that. These courtesies and etiquette rules may seem small, but they make a big difference. They help maintain a pleasant and safe environment for everyone. So whether you're a gym newbie or a seasoned pro, always remember to be considerate, respectful, and tidy. Following these courtesies and etiquette rules will make you a respected member of the gym. Don't be afraid to ask for help and set realistic goals. Asking for help can seem intimidating, especially when you're new to the gym. But remember, everyone's been a beginner at some point, and most people are more than willing to lend a hand. If you're unsure about how to use a piece of equipment, just ask someone. A simple phrase like, "Excuse me, could you show me how to use this machine?" can go a long way. You can also approach a gym staff member, who'll be more than happy to guide you. Now let's talk about setting goals. We all have aspirations when we start a new fitness journey. Maybe you want to run a marathon, lift a certain amount of weight, or simply lead a healthier lifestyle. But it's important to set realistic and achievable goals. Instead of aiming to run a marathon in a month, why not start with a shorter distance and gradually increase it? Setting smaller, achievable goals not only keeps you motivated, but also prevents you from getting overwhelmed or injured. It's all about taking one step at a time. And remember, progress isn't just about reaching your end goal. It's about the journey you take, the habits you develop, and the confidence you gain along the way. So don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it, and set goals that are right for you. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and it's okay to ask for assistance. Safety should always be your priority. As you embark on this exciting fitness journey, remember that your well-being is paramount. Before starting any exercise, it's crucial to warm up. This prepares your body for the workout ahead, increasing your heart rate and loosening your muscles to prevent injuries. Hydration is another essential aspect of gym safety. Always have a water bottle at hand. When you work out, your body loses fluids through sweat. Replenishing these fluids by drinking water regularly helps keep your body functioning optimally and can boost your performance. Lastly, listen to your body. It's the most intelligent fitness guru you'll ever have. If you feel pain or discomfort during an exercise, it's a sign that you might be pushing yourself too hard or doing the exercise incorrectly. Don't ignore these signals. Adjust your workout or ask for help if needed. Remember, the gym is not a place for reckless exertion, but for controlled, mindful progress. Stay safe and enjoy your workouts. Let's summarize what we've learned today. We've explored essential gym vocabulary, practiced introducing ourselves, and understood the importance of common courtesies and gym etiquette. We've also learned how to ask for help, set realistic fitness goals, and follow basic safety tips. Practice these skills, familiarize yourself with the gym environment, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Confidence comes with practice. With these tips, you're ready to conquer your first day at the gym.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level A1. Gym. Gym, a place where people go to exercise. Example, I go to the gym to stay fit and healthy. Exercise. Exercise, physical activity to improve health and fitness. Example, I like to exercise every day to stay strong. Trainer. Trainer, a person who helps you exercise correctly. Example, the trainer showed me how to use the gym equipment. Weights. Weights, heavy objects used for exercise. Example, I lift weights to build my muscles. Treadmill. Treadmill, a machine for walking or running indoors. Example, I run on the treadmill for my cardio workout. Stretch. Stretch, to extend your muscles to prevent injury. Example, it's important to stretch before starting your workout.